Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing access and aligning data. Request an API key or OAuth token and store it securely. Next, map your dataset to the model input. Check shapes, types, and any required headers. Install the provider SDK or set up an HTTP client so you can send a fast test request. Once done, run that test call and inspect the response for status codes and example outputs. This confirms connectivity and exposes early format mismatches. Now integrate the API into your ML pipeline. You prepare preprocessing, normalize numeric features, tokenize text, and impute missing values so the API receives consistent input. Then decide batching strategy, use batches for throughput or streaming for low latency, and respect rate limits. Implement retries with exponential backoff and structured logs so you can trace inputs to outputs. Make sure to validate predictions against holdout data to detect distribution shifts and to monitor latency and error rates continuously. Finish by deploying your service that calls the API and adding robust monitoring. You should expose health checks, autoscale when CPU or latency thresholds are crossed, and collect metrics like P50/P95 latency and error rate. Once deployed, watch for model drift and unexpected input distributions. If problems arise, first validate the payload format and authentication, then check rate limit responses and retry behavior. Finally, use detailed logs to trace failing requests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.